Yeah, so student, we have done revision almost the entire sessions. I think two sessions revisions are still left. The hardly takes some another 5 minutes. We'll just complete them and go to the today's sample paper discussion straight. Okay, today's session will so up. Students who are not interested in revision, that is fine. But sample paper you need to do. Okay, you need to do 100%. Okay, so yesterday what we just started the chemical reaction. As I said, very tough to remember. So keep seeing the things repeatedly. Okay, yesterday the first reaction, what did we see? Hydrocarbon with oxygen will always give CO2, H2O plus some heat and light. That's a combustion reaction. Then we went to oxidation reaction. What does oxidation reaction say? It is again same. Any hydrocarbon, especially the alcohol group, if you just heat it in presence of oxidizing agent, what will it do? Oxidizing agent means it will add oxygen. Again, that means initially it was ROH, alcohol group. Now it have becoming carboxylic group, carboxylic acid. Okay, initially it was alcohol. After this, it has converted to carboxylic acid. That is oxidation reaction. Okay, we went to the addition reaction. Student, addition is nothing but from unsaturated to saturated. You can see it's double bond, single bond. You need to add some atoms. The atoms may be anything. If you are adding hydrogen, H2, then it is nothing but hydrogenation. So and in addition reaction only hydrogenation is subpart. Okay, but if you just add hydrogen, you will get single bond. That's a hydrogenation reaction. Okay, we went to substitution reaction. Generally, it is seen in alkanes. So you can see one HCl will come here, one H will go here. CHCCl, and it is a chain reaction. This is what we have seen. Then we went to the ethanol. Student. The ethanol, what did we see? We just said that ethanol is nothing but it's something like toxic or not toxic, it's an ingredient of all alcoholic beverages. Okay, it is used in iodine, cup syrup, many tonics we just spoke about. And what did we see about ethanol reaction? Yeah, this is what we have seen. You can see C2H5OH plus Na. What does that mean? Ethanol reacting with metal. I just explained this in two things. First of all, Na is more reactive than hydrogen, so it just replaces here. Hydrogen will come outside, Na will go this place. Or else I said that you can see ethanol is nothing but acidic nature. Acid plus metal will give you hydrogen gas bubbles, hydrogen bubbles at the end. If HT is lost, Na will go and fit over there. Okay, in that way, I ask you to remember any of this method, ethanol. Okay, then we finally said the dehydration of ethanol. From the ethanol, if water is lost, you can see C2H5OH. In that, if water is lost, water means H2O, HOH, H2O हो गया. If that is lost, obviously there the bond whichever it is that should be adjusted. Carbon bond, 4 bond. That's the reason carbon has become double bond. So alcohol is converted to ethene. Alcohol is converted to ethylene. Dehydration of ethanol. Okay. Then we went to the ethanoic acid, which we always remember it. Okay. Esterification, very, very important. What did we learn over here? If you take an alcohol, if you take an carboxylic acid group, they both will give the ester. Like alcohol group, I have taken ethanol. A carboxylic group, I have taken ethanoic acid. What did we get? We got ester. Why, sir? Why it is ester? C double bond O. O to the O, one hydrocarbon. To the C, one hydrocarbon. If you see such combination, we say it is ester. How do you name it? You should name this fellow first. This fellow is two carbons, eth. As it is branch ethyl, remaining two carbons, eth single bond An as it is ester O8, ethyl ethanoate, or sometimes CH3COOH is there. In place of H, we have C2H5, so he just write ethyl acetate also. Okay, so I think I have stopped it here, student, yesterday. Okay, so yeah, let me revise the next two few things. Okay, saponification. Did you all observe here? What did I do? I just gave the double-sided arrow. What does that mean? From alcohol, I got ester. That means from ester, I'll get alcohol also. That is what this double-sided arrow. That is nothing but saponification. What does that do? You can look at here. It's an ester. Why, sir? Why it is ester? CH3, C, O, O, to the O, C2H5 is there. You see, it is nothing but C double bond O, O, R and R. It is in this form. In this form it is. So it's an ester. Ester mixed with base. What are we getting, student? What is this ester? I just said that ester is nothing but oil or fat. The sweet smelling will come, student. Oil or fat. Whenever you mix fat with a strong base, you will get soap. And another product is alcohol. So did you see? From ester we are getting alcohol. This is just opposite reaction to the esterification. Saponification is opposite to esterification. But anyhow, we are not concentrating more on this. We are concentrating on soap here. Soap, okay? CH3CONA. What is this name? CH3CO. Okay, you can write like this: CH3CONA. It is NaOH is sodium hydroxide. NaO. CH3CO is nothing but what will it name should be said? Sodium ethanoate. It will name. Okay. So in that way, we finish saponification, all types of reaction. Okay. Finally, we are going to soaps and detergents, students. Okay. The last topic is soaps and detergents. What did we learn in soaps and detergents during our regular session? We have seen that soaps are nothing but potassium or sodium. Can you see here? Sodium or potassium salts of long chain. Can you see here? Long chain of carboxylic acid. This one. Okay. So please remember the definition of soaps and detergents. What are soaps? Potassium or sodium salts of long chain of carboxylic acid. Now, what is the specialty in here? So the specialty in here is we have a Na plus O minus. So this head is something else, tail is something else. Okay, Narendran, what is this head? Ionic bond or covalent bond?
Ionic bond.
Yes, head is ionic bond. What is tail then? You can see C. Carbons generally form covalent bond. Okay, yes, Maya. Why we are calling this as hydrophilic? Hydrophilic beta. Hydrophil means love, water loving. Yes, Mega. Why we are calling it as water loving?
Sir, I'm not really sure.
Not sure. So, okay, I'll give you a trick to remember. Okay, you see, you understood this is ionic bond. So, Mega, what is Na plus Cl minus? Is it ionic bond or covalent bond?
Ionic.
Ionic bond. Ions are there, and metal and non-metal ionic bond. Now you say me, your salt mixes with water or not at home.
Yes, sir.
That means ionic bonds love water. They can dissolve in water very easily. That's the reason, student. Ionic bond is water loving. Okay, ionic bond is water loving. Okay, but you see, this is covalent bond. Assume something like kerosene, petrol. They all are covalent bonds. Why? Because they are natural. Natural means carbon and hydrogen group will be there mostly. Okay, and when you mix with kerosene and petrol with water, they will never mix. They will just float on each other. So that's the reason, student. It hates water, hydrophobic group. Okay, so in soaps and detergents, we have water hating or water hydrophobic group, water loving or hydrophilic group. Okay, in this way you remember, students. Tanushree, did you understand, student?
Can you repeat it, sir?
Yeah, so you can see ionic bond, right? Ionic bond. So NaCl, whatever we have at home or natural salt, this is also ionic bond, and this fellow can easily mix with water. So in that way, hydrophilic means it can easily mix with water or loves water. Okay, but you can see the other side, all the carbons are there. So all the carbon big chain means covalent bond. So you can take an example of petrol, kerosene, they all are covalent bond. They will never mix with water. Phobic means phobia. Okay, so in that way, in soap we have both ionic and covalent bond, in which one part will love water, one part will hate water. Okay, the story we have finished, students. So now when we so we have seen that they, when you mix the soap with water, you will get this form. What are these? You see, this is head. Head is what? Ionic bond, ionic bond, ionic bond, ionic bond, ionic bond, ionic bond, ionic bond. But what you see, this is tail: carbon, 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 carbon. So what is the shape? All the heads are on the surface of the water, all the tails are inside. So what does he say? Clusters. Cluster means many molecules are there. Hydrophobic means tails. Those who hate water, they all are inside, interior, inside. interior. But ionic bonds, which are heads, they all are on the surface of the water. So whenever you mix water with soap, soap with water, the molecules will be arranged like this. The molecules will be arranged. So what we generally call this a Michel formation or lather formation. Lather formation or Michel formation. Okay. So now, sir, why are we reading this? Because the question will be explain the cleaning action of soap. What does that do? You would say take a soap which have a dirt. And what is the dirt, student? Dirt will be generally oil or grease. Now, when you pour some water, when you pour some soap water, what will happen? Michel formation will take place. But you know, all the heads will love water. They all are attaching with water like this. But you know, tails hate water. But tails are going and attaching to who? Tails are going and attaching to the dirt. Dirt, the Michel formation, all the tails are attaching dirt, all the heads are attaching water. Now, what will you do? You will rinse it, or if you throw it in, if you just put it in a washing machine, the washing machine rotates clockwise, rotates anti-clockwise with different speeds. You are rubbing this cloth slowly, slowly. The tails are very strongly attached to the dirt. Finally, this dirt will come out, and you will dispose of this dirty water, and you will take clean cloth outside. Okay, that's a cleansing action. I have given the notes during our regular session also. Okay. Yeah. Then comes the so what happens if the water is not good? Like the water is hard water. You see, soft water is distilled water. Right now our government is supplying somewhat good water, so that's the reason we are getting something like lather michels at our home. But when you go to the polluted places or some villages where they are using underground water only, so that time you see, student, that water has calcium and magnesium ions, that water. So these two salts will not let lather to form. So what are they forming? They are forming scum, which is undissolved part of the soap. Okay. So we is this water enough to clean the clothes and your body? No. Until and unless the lather is not formed, the michel is not formed, the cloth will not be clean. Then that time what will we use? We can't take change the water. Hard water, they are underground water. They don't have such supply. They'll be using them hard soaps, or sometimes we say it as detergents. Yes, right answer there. Detergents. Okay, what are detergents? So please remember, detergents are generally sodium salts. Up to here, same sodium salts, same, but they are sodium salts of sulfonic acid. Okay, so he is calling this as sulfonic acid, student. Okay, so please write up to here. What are detergents? They are sodium salts of sulfonic acid. There are many definitions. So at least please write up to here. Sodium salts of sulfonic acid. Okay. Yeah, you can look here. Water soap, sodium salts of long chain of carboxylic acid. Water detergent, sodium salts of sulfonic acid. Okay, entire thing he is calling as sulfonica. Okay, now the detergents are helpful. Detergents can be used in hard water also. Michel formation will take place, and we can happily use the detergents in hard water. Okay, so I have given some advantage, disadvantage during our regular session. That's fine. With this, we have completed the revision of this chapter. Okay, students. So again, I'm asking. So I'll be little bit fast. You need to stop me. I don't know who are following, who the students' responsibility to stop me. I'll stop it. Wherever you stop me, I'll stop it. Okay. Okay. Mega, shall we go for sample questions?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So as I said, revision, if you are confident, you can skip the revision and use that time. But sample papers, it is must. You see, I have framed some 50 to 55 questions. I am assuring you, if you understood your NCRT book with help of my sessions, and if you are doing these 55 questions, more than enough. The question paper may be whatever tough it you can frame, you can give the answers. Okay. With that, let us do the sample papers. The first question goes like this. So I'll be taking two sessions today and next Monday also for the sample papers. I may cover up to 40 questions. Remaining 10-15 questions, I am sending you the PDF, entire PDF. You can check it yourself.
Sir, we did this question, right?
No, I just showed that question. Nobody did. Only you did it. Very good, Narendran. Right answer. Mega, right answer. Tanish. Okay, right answer, Tanish. Yes, Tanish. Why the assertion is false, student? Tanish.
Sir, because in homologous series that gets added by CH2.
Very good. Okay. So what is homologous series, student? The homologous series I showed somewhere, right? Yeah, homologous series. What did I say? They are same family. What does that mean? They all will have same general formula. You see, the general formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2. Keep n equal to 1, you'll get this. Keep n equal to 2, you'll get this. Keep n equal like that. And the same family means what? They have same chemical properties. And the third thing is they need to separate by only CH2 group. Okay. So you can see here gap between them is C4 only H2. Gap between them is only H4. So they are not belonging to the same family. And you can also see the general formula, student. You see CnH2n. It's an alkane. CnH2n. It's an alkene. CnH2n minus 2 alkyne. CnH2n plus 2 alkane. Okay, they definitely don't belong to same family or same homologous series. Okay, now why this is unsaturated? Yes, Maya, why they are unsaturated? The reason is right. Huh? This is right, this is wrong. The right answer is assertion is wrong, reason is right. Why, Maya? Why they are no unsaturated hydrocarbon? What is unsaturated, Maya? Say me.
Double bond and triple bond.
Double bond, triple bond, but we generally say alkenes, alkyne. Okay, that's all, student. Your answer is right. Alkenes means its general formula is CnH2n. Alkynes means its general formula is CnH2n minus 2. You see anything, it is following. You see, keep n equal to 4, C4H2 into 4H8. So what is C4H8? It's an alkene. You take anything, C3H4, keep n equal to 3, C3H equal to 2n C3H6, it is here, it's an alkene, but C2H4, you keep it here, n equal to 3, C3H6, it's an alkyne. Okay, so basically I'm able to see this is butene, butane, propene, propine, like this, all are alkenes and alkynes. So that's the reason they are unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay. So again, I'm saying I have given the notes also here. So don't try to write. Only attempt the answers in the chat box or do question me directly. Don't try to write the question. Don't try to write the answers. Take some rough paper. Do it. That's all. A hydrocarbon with the formula CxH8 undergoes a complete combustion like this. What are the values of X and Y? So please give something like A answer, B answer, C answer, D answer, like that you give, student. So what are the values of X and Y? He's just asking the balancing, student. It's a chapter number 1 question actually. But it is a hydrocarbon. I think the question has been copied here. Very good, Narendran. Wrong answer. Tanish, wrong answer. Come on, others, try to give and check the answers. It's a balancing. I explained you 3 ways. Students who are there from the first session, first chapter, I explained you the balancing in 3 ways. Okay, you can choose any of the way. Or else you please ask ping me for the recording. Okay, so I'm going for the third way. Left side carbon, right side carbon. Yes, Narendran.
So now is it right?
Okay, you give the answer. Narendran, right answer. Maya, right answer. Very good, Maya. Okay, so Tanushri, you can look over here, student. Carbon left side. Why did I take? I want X beta. For X, we have here. So carbon 2 into X, 2X. Right side carbon only 6 into 1, 6. So 2x equal to 6, x equal to 3. So, Tanushri, say me for y what atom you should I take? What element should I take?
First is 2y.
2y. Hydrogen, I need to take 2y. Right side hydrogen better than
2. No, 12.
12. That's all, student. 2y equal to 12. Y equal to 6. Tanish, what happened, beta? Simple calculation. Okay, right answer. Go ahead with the second question. Okay, very good, Narendran. Superb answers. So what is he asking? He's asking IUPAC name of hydrocarbon. So you just got C6H8, right? CXHY. So he's just asking what is its name. Please give the answer, students. C3H6, what is its name? C3H6, what is its name? He's asking IUPAC name. Very good. Mega, right answer. Tanushri, very good, Tanushri. Okay. C6H, C3H6, the general formula is matching with alkene. Three carbons. Propene is the right answer. Propene, very good, Tanish. Propene is the right answer. Okay. Okay. Electron dot structure. Students, for electron dot structure, you do one thing. Okay. I'll give you some trick. So don't try to remember the things. You see, carbon and hydrogen, C3H6, right? How will you draw the structure? Three carbons and hydrogens, right? So now you see what is we spoke about. We by the general formula we are able to see alkene. What does that mean? One double bond should be there. Keep double bond, single bond. Yes. Okay, C3H6, three carbons. As it is alkene, at least one double bond should be there. Now you please adjust the hydrogen, students. Adjust the hydrogens. Hydrogen, hydrogen. You see how many bonds? Carbon should have four bonds. So two hydrogen. This carbon should have four bonds. So one hydrogen. This carbon should have four bonds. One hydrogen, three hydrogen. You see carbon, four bonds, carbon, four bonds, carbon, four bonds. Now after adjusting, what you do is you simply erase the sticks. You simply erase the sticks and keep cross and dots. That's all. You can keep cross for hydrogen, cross for hydrogen, cross for hydrogen, and dot for this particular carbon. Dot, 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 dot. I'll erase this. That's all. You see how easily the electron dot structure came. Megha, did you understand? How did I draw?
Yes, sir.
Tanushri, should I repeat or did you understand?
Can you repeat, sir?
Yeah, so you see, student, I'm sure that you know up to here C3H6 how to draw. You see, I have drawn C3H6 like this. Why, sir? Because C3 means alkane. So three carbons I have drawn with like this. So alkene is there. So one double bond. After this, you need to adjust hydrogen. Carbon have two bonds. That means two hydrogens I should adjust here. So that's the reason I have kept two hydrogens. Okay, this carbon should already got three bonds, one hydrogen. This carbon has one bond, so three more hydrogens. So like that, I have drawn the structure. But now his question is electron dot structure. Electron dot structure is asking student. So what should I do? Electron dot structure. I need to replace this one thing by this danda. This what is this? Stick by one dot cross one dot. This stick by one cross for hydrogen, one dot for okay. One stick means one bond beta. One pair of electrons. Two sticks are there. That means two pairs of electrons. As it is carbon only, I'll just take carbon, 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 carbon. Here one stick, hydrogen and carbon, dot for carbon and cross for hydrogen. One stick, Carbon, carbon, both dots only. Carbon, dot, dot I can keep. Here one stick. So obviously I'll need to erase this and I'll keep cross and dot. Here also two sticks are one stick is there. I'll erase it. I'll keep one dot for carbon, cross for hydrogen. One dot for carbon, cross for hydrogen. Understood, Tanushri?
Yes, sir.
Tanish, did you understand, beta?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Avdan, how are you? You are again late student. I don't know how busy you are.
Sir, my school is having annual day practices, so I'm coming home a bit late.
Okay, so what are you participating in? Dance,
Drama.
music, drama? Oh, you are
Yeah.
very expert in that then.
Yes, sir. I mean, yeah.
Yeah, good. Name the alcohol which on while on heating concentrated H2SO4 to produce above hydrocarbon. He is asking, I want above hydrocarbon. What did we get? CxH2A, C3H6. He is asking, I want one alcohol which H2SO4 concentrated. I should get this. Yeah, so right answer, Tanish, very good. Narendran, very good. Yes, Mega. Which type of reaction did we learn yesterday? This one. You see, alcohol means OH.
Sir, I'm not completely sure. My internet was really, really bad yesterday.
Acha, acha. So you see, student, alcohol is there. He's asking one alcohol group. I need to heat in concentrated H2SO4 and I should get C3H6. Yes, Maya. Which reaction is this? Chemical properties. Which type of chemical property we have there?
Addition reaction.
No, addition reaction is unsaturated to saturated. Alkane, alkene to alkane. But here it is alcohol. No oxidation, no oxidation. I should either write O2 here or I should write something like KMNO4 or I should write aqueous H2SO4. But it's concentrated H2SO4. Okay, so dehydration reaction, alcohol on concentrated H2SO4, dehydration. So please remember, dehydration means water should come outside. Now you give the answer, student. Which one? So left side only one compound, right side you some water came outside. So what should it be? Left side. Please give the answer. In H2O, OH is there. So only one H will come here. One H should come from here and C3H6. So please concentrate here, student. One alcohol group is there and dehydration means H2O will go. What does that mean? Three carbons. Three carbons should be there. Six hydrogen should be there. But you see, H2O came out. That means यहाँ पे seven hydrogens it should be there. C3, now then only OH and H from here will go out and C3H6 will be available. Yes. Tanushri, should I repeat once?
No, sir.
Understood or should I or
Oh, no, sir. Got it.
got it? Okay. So H2O means one H from here, OH from here, H2O is lost, but remaining everything should come from this. Okay. What is this compound? Three carbons, prop, single bond only N, and it's an alcohol group. OH is there, propanol. Okay, students. So you look at here, all the equations we are using it here from a last 2 days revision, entire thing we are using. But please write the this one also, student. Balancing also you need to write a. I think this is balanced already, right? Okay, so this is right already. Yeah. Write the balanced chemical reaction for the reaction CxHy with hydrogen gas in presence of nickel. Is asking CxHy. What did we get? CxHy C3H6 we got with hydrogen gas in presence of nickel. What will you get? First of all, you say what will you get, then you can balance it. Very good, Narendran. So which type of reaction? Please type Narendran answer. Tanish, again change your answer. I think you have typed it wrongly. Very good, Narendran. Students, yesterday we have seen all of them. Nothing new here. Maya, Mega, Tanushri, Avdan. Avdan, which type of reaction is this beta? Do you know, Avdan? Do you remember?
Sir, no, sir.
No. Yes, Maya, right answer. Please give the answer. No, Tanish. Tanushri, very good. Okay, so student, we are adding something, addition reaction, but as we are adding hydrogen, it is hydrogenation. You see C3H8, what is there? So here you are thinking C3H8, sir, why will it come C3H8? Addition reaction, unsaturated to saturated. You see C3H6, what is this? Alkene. Why, sir? Its general formula matching with CnH2n. What is C3H8? CnH2n plus 2. General formula is matching with alkane. So alkene to alkane, unsaturated to saturated is addition reaction. Okay. So yes, Tanish, so that will be C3H8 student. C3H8. Yes, Maya, right answer. Understood, Mega?
Yes, sir.
Forgot?
No, sir. Towards the part you were teaching esterification, my internet went off.
Okay, so yeah, this was way before that student has started with this addition reaction. Okay, I'm just showing you back that particular screen so that you can understand, you can recall the things, but I'll not show it for every question, student. Please believe me, I'm running late. Okay, yeah, this one you see, unsaturated to saturated. If I add hydrogen, then that is hydrogenation. Okay, double bond to single bond. That is what the question is. Okay, where am I? Where am I? Question? Yeah. Okay, so yeah, so you see dotted. So I have given the answers also. You see, same thing he has given: double bond, single bond, single bond. Yeah, you see C3 has that's all. This much you write, that is more than enough. You don't need to write like this. Can anybody say, please try to draw this C3H6 student? Try to draw the structure of C3H6. Please try to draw the structure of C3H6 in the rough and check. Yeah, are you able to draw C3H6? It's nothing but propene. Try to draw the structure of propene in your rough notes. I'll ask one of the student. Propene. Yes, Tanushri. What should I start with? C3H6.
First you have to write the structure.
Yeah. So what should I start with H or should I start with C?
C. C.
C C C. Okay. Then student.
C will have triple bond. I mean 3H.
So first of all, adjust the bonds, right? Go ahead.
Yeah.
No problem. Go ahead.
First will have 3H.
Three bonds. You see, its general formula
No.
is CnH2n beta. So it's alkene. Alkene means double bond only maximum. Okay, so the
Oh.
first, so double bond only. So first you will have a double bond. Okay, yeah, then single bond. Why? Because one double bond only. He has not given the position. He just said propene. If you would have given prop 2 in, 1 in, then I would have disturbed the thing. Propene means prop 1 in. At the first carbon, he has double bond. Okay, then remaining hydrogen. Please adjust the hydrogens, Tanushri. How many hydrogens I should keep?
1 hydrogen.
One, you see?
No,
One,
2.
two. Okay, CH2. This one?
1,
Okay, very good. This one?
2,
Two or three?
3.
Three. Okay, that is what he has shown here. CH2, CH, CH3. CH2, CH. Okay, that's fine. If you are writing this one also, fine, student. Okay, the next question on the screen. I'm giving some time, student. Read.
Sir, we did these questions. You didn't just show it. You explained this one also, I'm pretty sure. I was saying that Q was sodium and that all.
No,
We did this.
I just showed it. Okay, we did not do this. We just showed it.
No, sir, you did.
No, I just started it today. Yes, go ahead. Give the
Sir, I
answer.
had the same doubt if I should write sodium as Na or Q, and you said you should write it as Q and all.
Yeah, you said it right, but I just showed for only 2 students, so these are the questions. Okay, but in a regular flow, I have not started. You say me, did we do this previous question? Did we do this?
Yes, sir, we did this.
We did this?
Yes, sir.
No, student.
Sir, is this from Sahodaya?
Is this from?
The Sahodaya sample?
Yes.
Sir, I solved this question in Sahodaya paper.
Very good, very good. Go ahead. Yeah,
Sir,
so
this
which
question was in my midterm science
midterm?
exam.
And you gave the answer wrong, means you did the wrong answer there also.
No, sir, I did not. It was an optional question. I chose the other one.
That's an optional question. Narendran, right answer. No, Narendran, second answer is wrong. Yes, Maya, give the answers. Megha, give the answers. First, you please type A and give the answers. Huh? Okay, so look at here, student. P. How many electrons are there? 2, comma, first orbit 2, 4, 6. 2, comma 6. Okay, I'll use the red color pen. Huh? P is having 2, comma 6. But what does that mean? P total electrons are 8. And here Q, how many electrons? First orbit 2, second orbit 8, third orbit 1. So that means Q equal to 11. Okay. Yes, Tanish, you same student now. Mega, right answer. Maya. Okay. Yeah, Tanish. So you see student here, how will this fellow get stable?
Sir, ionic bond.
Yeah, so student, Maya 2 comma 8 comma 1 student, this one should be completely transferred. It should not be shared beta. It want to lose one electron. Whenever I speak about gain and lose or transfer of electrons, it is ionic bond. Okay. So here 2 comma 8 comma 1 it doesn't require, it want to give completely. It don't want to share, it want to transfer. So that's the reason student, which type of bond? It's an ionic bond. Tanushri, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Very good. No, all are giving the answers right, but you are assuming it as Na and O student. I don't know. If at all you are assuming, okay, if you are comfortable in that way, your wish then. Okay, what is the general formula for the compound? Yes, what is the general formula now? You see, one electron is given. Q is very happy. Q has become 2 comma 8. But what about P? P just got 2 comma 7. Will it be stable? No, it will not be stable. It wants one more electron. But who can give one more electron? This doesn't give one more electron. That's the reason, student. One more Q will come and that Q will give you the third electron. So one more Q, 2 electrons here, 8 electrons here, 1 electron here, which will give like this. That means 2 Qs are giving 1 P. Now you can say it's a compound. Chemical formula for a compound from 1 Q 1 electron, another Q 1 electron, 2 Qs and 1 P. This is how ionic compound is formed. Metallic oxide basic react. Right answer, student. Very good, Narendra. Good. Maya, very good student. Q2P, not 2QP, yeah? Q2P. Something like Na2O. Many students give the right answer. Na2O. So students have assumed P is 8, they have assumed oxygen. And this is 11, they have assumed Na. That's the reason they are giving Na2O. Okay. Students, so please give this and then give this. Yes, so Mega, how will you give the C as an answer, student? For C, how will you give? The compound so formed. Just now we got a compound, right? Is it acidic or basic? How will you give? Yes, Narendran, go ahead, student.
Sir, it is basic because it reacts with acid to form salt and water.
1 second. YouTube. Yeah. Now you say, student, it is basic. So why? How are you saying?
Sir, it reacts with acid to form salt and water.
Who said to react with acid here? The compound so formed is dissolved in water. You can maximum dissolve it in water only. U2P, he is saying that you can dissolve with water. Then you say he said, why do you react with acid?
So
Okay.
like studied in acid basis, salt said metal oxide plus acid will give salt and water. So metal oxides are basic.
Say me that point. Then you should say Q2P, something like Na2O. Then you should say metal oxide. Acids and bases, we have read that. Metal oxides are basic in nature. Or you can also say Q2P plus H2O. We will get something like, 1 second, student. Q2P plus H2O, right? QOH plus P. Metal hydroxide you'll get, it's a base. Okay, it's a base. Okay. No, don't require, don't use that much mind. So you see, Q2P is something like Na2O. Here you can explain one example. It is metal oxide. Metal oxides are generally basic in nature. In that way you can do. Understood, Mega?
Yes, sir, I gave the answer in chat. I wrote base.
Oh, you gave base. Okay. Maya right answer, Tanish right answer. Okay. Yes, the fourth option, point number D. Q with ethanol. Q with ethanol. So ethanol is nothing but C2H5OH plus Q is this one. Will give you what? Okay, so student, please try to remember. So just now, what are you thinking in your mind? You said something like Q is Na, P is O, right? So try to remember yesterday what did we learn? C2H5OH plus Na. What did we learn, student? So you see, alcohol is somewhat acid and base. Acid and base, hydrogen gas will come, or else the Na is more reactive than hydrogen. C2H5ONA will come. Like that you remember. And but here the question is C2H5 plus O. In place of NaQ is there. Please write the same thing. C2H5ONA plus H2. This will give you the answer. You see, with the help of yesterday's reaction, I have framed this answer.
So aren't we supposed to write in place of NAQ itself?
Oh, in place of, yeah, that is what I have written. Achha, sorry, here, okay, I'm sorry. Mega right answer. Okay, C2H5OQ you should write here. Q plus H2. You're right. Okay. So with the help of yesterday's revision only, we are doing all the questions.
So in the start of the answer itself, if we write Q is sodium and P is oxygen, then can we write it in sodium and oxygen ways? Or do we have to write it in P and Q?
1 second, let me think. Electronic physics of atoms P and Q are shown below. Based on the information given below, answer. Actually, if that fellow's question, if one of the questions will be expect water P and Q, then your answer should be right. Expect water P and Q, then I would have written P is oxygen, Q is Na. Then my answers, all the answers I will be converting into oxygen and Na. But he has not framed that question, student. That's the reason I'm asking you. Try to write the answer, analyze it in the form of Na and oxygen, but give the answers in P and Q only.
Okay, so.
Okay. Tanushri, understood, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, last question. Oh, what is this? What will be the formula of compound formed when P undergoes bonding with carbon? Again, analyze with Na and O and give the answer in P and C. He's saying P is there. Now he wants to mix with carbon. P plus C. What will you get? He's asking. Very good, Mega. Right answer. Maya, right answer. So yes. So P is what? Oxygen. Oxygen plus C. Yes, Tanushri, C plus O2, what will you get, beta?
CO2.
Tanushri, right answer. CP2 is the right answer. Wonderful, okay? CO2, which is nothing but covalent bond, so CP2 will be your answer. Tanish, understood why CP2?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The hydrocarbon with molecular formula C4H10 has. So if you are doing these 50 questions, more than enough for your final paper, student. That will be definitely 95% we are covering. 70% we covered already during our session. 25% we are covering during revision and sample paper discussion. Narendran, right answer. If you are not able to identify, please draw the structure and take the help of structure. How many bonds? The number of lines between atoms, those are bonds. Tanish, right answer. Try to draw the structure and you see what is this general formula matching. CnH2n plus 2. 2 for the 8 plus 2. It's an alkane or you can say butane. Mega, right answer. Come on, Avdan. Maya, right answer. Come on, Tanushri, Avdan. CnH2n plus 2 student. So 4 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4. As it is alkane, only single bond. But 10 hydrogens are there. 1, what is? Very good, Tanushree. Good, okay? Super student. Okay, students who are not able to take the general formula help, you can draw the structure. You see, only you have did 8. Draw the 8, ninth, and 10th. Now count the number of lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is the answer. Okay? Yes. Denaturated alcohol. This is a denaturated alcohol. Come on, students, think. Yesterday we have done all of them. Okay, very good. So who gave? Okay, Maya gave. Maya. Yes, right answer. Right answer, Maya. Tanish, right answer. Narendran. Narendran. Okay, Narendran. Narendran, what is the final answer? B or C? Okay, right answer. Come on, Mega, Tanushri. Sorry, not given. Mega, right answer. Tanushri, superb student. Everybody has given right answer. Okay. Addition reaction, unsaturated to saturated. If you add hydrogen, that is hydrogen. Substitution reaction, which is nothing but carbon tetrachloride, the last term. Esterification, which is nothing but alcohol plus carboxylic acid. O8 is seen. That is esterification. Okay. So, student, let me explain about denaturated alcohol. Anybody know about this? Do anybody know what is that, man? Don't know? Okay, I'll explain this one. Asha, go ahead, student.
So it is used in industry.
Why it is used?
So because if it's normal alcohol, then people can drink it, right?
Very good, very good. Okay, students, wonderful definition. Okay, you see, alcohol definitely used by people as a beverage. Okay, and it is used in limited quantity in tincture, iodine, cough syrups, many tonics. Okay, but what is there here is, yes, here definitely you see. You see, yeah, you see, this is alcohol. Definitely, you can use in all of them, but it is widely used in industries. Where do you know? For cleaning. Okay, yeah, like during the COVID times, also you might have seen during the COVID times, we all were sanitizing. That is nothing but we are just sanitizing with the help of alcohol that kills the germs. So for cleaning also, it is used in many places, students. Okay, then what comes is, definitely, like you see, I was working in that Palam Air Force Station, Delhi. I for 10 years I was just repairing the PCBs. Okay, there also we are using alcohol in much quantity. Where do we use? Just to clean it. Whatever the PCB comes to me, the first thing what I need to do is I need to clean with the brush with the alcohol, so that all the dirt and all the layer of oxide layer, that all will be removed. Student. Then I need to go for the rectification what may be the fault. But now what is coming now, like you see, Air Force is somewhat an organized sector, and you can see many literate people are there. But the same cleaning will be done by the unorganized sector also, where the people are not much skilled. Definitely, what will they do? They will consume it. But is it for consuming? No, it is for usage. So what they will add is, they will add 2 or 3 drops of methanol. Methanol. Okay, now you can see, sir, alcohol, first family member is methanol. Second family member is alcohol or ethanol. So this is good to your health. Not good. This will not be harmful to your health, but this is very, very harmful, student. Very, very harmful. So if you consume the methanol adulterated ethanol, if you make if the few or drops of methanol is added to this particular ethanol, and if you consume it, all your organs will be failed. Okay, that much dangerous. Okay, so I have given explanation what happens if you drink ethanol, if you drink methanol in my particular this side only. I think last year one of the student has asked me. Okay, that's the reason I have framed a few questions on this. Okay, you can look at my particular thing. Okay, so that they don't want that particular alcohol to be drunk by the people. To save that alcohol, they are adding methanol. Okay, students. Yeah. So that is what denaturated alcohol. Alcohol is it's okay, you can consume. They are denaturating. They are not making it natural to drink by adding ethanol. Okay. Yes. Next question. Then at least are you following, student? You're not giving the answer, but at least are you following?
Yes, sir.
So what's the drama, student? Which drama?
It's about a family of 5 people, sir.
Okay.
Each representing one element: fire, earth, water, air, like that.
Uh-huh. Okay.
So the family of 5 consists of father, mother, son, daughter, grandfather. I'm grandfather.
That's your grandfather. Tanushi, Narendran, Tanish. Very good, Narendran and Tanish. Narendran, did you see this question before also?
No, sir.
No. Yes. Maya, are you able to understand the question? No? Okay, I'll help you, Maya. Oxyacetylene. Okay. So, student, ethene is also known as ethylene. Yesterday we have read up to here. Now it is also known as acetylene. All the three are same, student. Okay, so please, whatever you're feeling it for the first time, please add it in your main notes. So that is how your notes will be making better and better. So you see, acetylene is nothing but ethylene is nothing but ethene. Ethene is nothing but C2H4. Oxy means oxygen. Now you give me Maya. If I mix this acetylene with oxygen, what will you get? This one we have read, huh? This one we have read. Yes, Tanushri? This one with oxygen, what will you get, student? Which type of reaction is this, Tanushri?
Is it oxidation, sir?
Very good. Combustion. Rather than oxidation, it is combustion. Oxidation means I'm not taking O2, I'm taking KMNO4 here. Okay. Combustion. And what are the byproducts of the combustion, Tanushri?
CO2 and H2O.
But there is another important thing, heat. Okay. Now, if I mix both of them, I'm getting heat. So can't I use that for welding purpose? I can very well use it. Okay. So my statement one is right. Okay. My statement one is right. Oxyacetylene. So you see here, whenever they want to carry this welding machine, they'll be using oxyacetylene only. There will be two little tank. Oxygen will be coming from one tank. Acetylene, ethene will be coming from one tank. They both get mixed. A little ignition will give you large amount of heat. Okay, and CO2 and H2O. So definitely that can be used. Student, this one even I don't know really. Okay, ethane reacts with HCl. What he is saying is ethane means C2H4 reacts with HCl in presence of HgCl2.
Sir, ethane is C2H2, right?
Not C2H2, right? Yeah. Ethane is C2H2. It's reacting with HCl. What he is saying is he is getting CH2 double bond. No, I don't know. Let me check it. Huh? I did not really understand that equation. You see, C2H2. Sorry, here also acetylene, student. Okay, acetylene is ethane. Then I'm really sorry for that. Okay, so it is ethane C2H2 acetylene ethane. This is okay. CO2 plus H2O plus E. Okay, where is this? Acetylene is primary acetylene. C2H2. Okay, so this one I did not understand. So please cross check if you are already familiar. It's fine. If you're not familiar, go and check what is this with your teacher. C2H2. See, he is giving some compound polyvinyl chloride. Okay. Polyvinyl chloride. Yeah. What is the difference between soaps and detergents? You just need to write the statements. What are soaps? Sodium or potassium salts of long chain of carboxylic acid. You need to write this. What are detergent? Sodium salts of sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid. You just write this, more than enough, student. Okay. State and explain cleaning action of soaps. So that one, that Michel formation, those all you need to write. Oil spot. Okay. Why are soaps not very effective when fabric is washed in hard water? In hard water, Ca and Mg salts are there. These salts are there. So definitely it will not let Michel to form. And what is the very important term? Scum is formed. You need to use this technical word. Scum is formed. Okay. How is this problem solved? It is just solved by, in spite of soap, you need to use detergent. Okay. So that was this. Okay. But student, if the question comes, I'll not go for this. I'll go for this because we have done many of the questions in the nomenclature, and definitely whatever you write, he may give maximum 4 marks or 4.5 marks. But you see, if your answer is right, you will get 5 marks for this. Please give the answers for this nomenclature. Look at the compound and give the answers. Everybody should give the answers now. Yeah, Tanish, right. Scum word should come. Everybody should give the answer, student. Please write one, this name, two, this name. Yes, Narendran, first answer right. Go ahead, other students. You see, Laddu type question. We have done many questions. 5 marks, pakka you will get. Second answer, right answer, Narendran. Tanish, first answer right. Narendran, third answer right. Maya Hasini, first answer right. Tanish, second answer right. Avdan, thank God, first answer right. Narendran, very good, fourth answer right. It's okay, you can reduce the speed. But try to give at least 2 or 3 names. Others. Maya, very good, right answer. Narendran, wonderful, Narendran. All the answers right. Tanish, superb. Up to third answer, you're right. Avdan, second answer right. Tanushri, oh my God, Tanushri, lovely. No, last two you have made a mistake.
Sir,
Tanushri.
the first and fourth are the same, right?
I thought you need to type the answer. Tanushri, your first three are right. Check the fourth and fifth beta. Tanish, right answer. Narendran, sixth one. Acha, six are there. Okay, right answer. So 1 second, Tanushri. Let me check what you gave again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Acha, no. Check the answers. So you missed one question, I think. Narendran, what is that? Ah, yes, you are right. You are right. Yes, Avdan, right student. Very good, Avdan. Maya, right up to third. Maya, right. Tanish, why beta? You hate 3 carbons. You are giving 2 carbons only. Check how many carbons are there, Tanish, in that particular question. Avdan, fifth one, no student. You have only 3 carbons there. Why bute will come? Right answer. Come on, Megha, where are you? Very
Sir, I'm
good.
typing all 6 together.
Okay. Very good, Tanish. Superb. Almost everybody has given. Okay. So here OH group is there. 3 carbon, single bond, prop and all. Here also 3 carbons, but you see carbonyl group is there. And here OH is there. COOH, oic acid. So definitely 3 carbons, propanoic
Sir, I
acid.
get
Good answer. Very good, very good, very good, very good. But sixth question is also right answer, student. Very good, Sheila. Tanushri, okay. Ah, very good, Tanushri. Okay. Third one, you see, functional group is chlorine. It should be prefix chloro because first carbon, propane, chloropropane. One chloropropane or chloropropane. Okay. Maya, right answer up to there. Here also I can see OH and 3 carbon student. It's again propanol or propan 1-ol. Both are same. Here I'm able to see only triple bond, no more functional group. It's YNE, 3 carbons, propine. Prop 1-ine or propine. Both are right. This one, yes, students, carbonyl group. To the carbonyl group, left side also are, right side also are. So definitely it's ketone group. Ketone. So how many carbon? 4. Bute. Yeah, so where is the so butanon you gave student? Is it butanon only? Check once again, student. 4 carbons is bute, on, bute.
Sir, 2 hydrocarbons have to be to the side, right?
Uh,
So you can eliminate 2.
Pardon?
The bute one on can't exist.
There's no bute, yeah, there's no bute one on, so you write
Okay,
as butanol.
okay, right answer. Okay, bute to butan 2 on or butanon also right. Butanon also right. Bute 1 carbon, butan 1 does not exist. Right, you're absolutely right. So then that will be again the aldehyde group. Yes. Okay, I didn't give the answers here. 1 second, so let me check the answers. Propanol, propanoic acid, chloropropane, propanol, propane, butanol. Right answer. Okay. So students, whenever such question comes, na, please go for such questions. Don't go for that lengthy questions, student, because you see here you will get full marks first of all. And second thing is how much time you can save it. You see here. If you start attempting this again, you will take 5 minutes. Here only 2 minutes you can close it. Okay. So please be choosy. Please use your mind while choosing the answers. Okay, but I am sure other than you who have attended other students who have not taken tuitions or who are just believing on their NCRT, they will be finding tough on this. They will be going for this. What is the correct statement regarding isomers? Yesterday we have read the isomers. Isomers that should have dash, that should not have dash. That is what we read. Narendran, my God. Tanushri, again, my God. Tanish, very good, Tanish. What student you forgot isomers? Did I take that chapter or not? Isomers to you?
Sir, here on.
1 second, with your answer. Which session I spoke about isomers? You see isomers. This is what I have said, right? What are isomers, students? So isomers are nothing but which have same molecular formula but different structural formula. You see, same chemical formula, molecular formula, but different chemical structure. You can look at here C4H10, C4H10, but different structure. Okay, that should be. But I also said they're both physical and chemical properties, they both will change. They both will change. So let me come back to the question. Yeah, so isomers have same structural formula? No. Isomers have same molecule formula? Yes. Isomers have same chemical property? No. A compound? Yes, Narendra?
Sir, I read chemical properties as chemical formula, so I
Chemical formula, oh my God. So that mistake can also be done. You look at it and how simple mistake he has done. Okay, that's good. You have understood what is your. Tanish
so,
has given right answer. Narendra right answer. Amaya. Go ahead, Narendra. Right answer.
so I chose 2, 3, 4 as the right option, but
Okay.
so,
Acha. Avdhan, very good student. Okay. C3H8, we have seen methane doesn't have isomers. Ethane doesn't have isomers. Propane doesn't have isomers. Isomers are starting from butane. Okay. So that's the, you see C3H8 is propane. So it doesn't have isomers. Right answer. 2 and 4 only. A should be a right answer. Yes. Next question. Avdhan, very good student. You're giving answers. Right answer. Narendran. Yes, student. Right answer. Narendran. Maya, right answer. Tanish, right answer. Come on, students. Narendran, Megha, Tanushri.
I gave.
Yeah, Narendran, your answer is right. So, did I say Narendran? Okay, Avdhan, I was saying. Tanushri, very good student. Megha, what happened, beta? Meghu. Very good, Megha. Wrong answer. Okay, soaps are nothing but sodium salts of long chain of carboxylic acid, which is again nothing but fatty acid. Detergents are nothing but sodium salts of long chains of sulfonic acid. Okay, CH3COH, it is carboxylic acid, alcohol, they both mix to give esters. Okay, CH3COH, metal hydroxide. Yes, Narendran, how did you say this is neutralization?
Sir, soap is sodium salts of long chain fatty acids, so only one option was there with D, so I chose.
Acha, you only choose for the first one. Acha, you see, only first option he has given answer. Okay. Yeah, now you analyze and give why the third option is right. Why the third option is C? Anybody? What should be the justification? CH3COOH plus metal hydroxide. Student, What is this?
So
Acetic
that's
acid.
acid plus base.
Very good. Acid plus base will give a neutralization reaction, nothing but salt, which is nothing but CH3COONA plus water. Okay. Acid plus base is neutralization reaction. Okay. Last question for the session. Very good, Maya. Right answer. The name and formula of third number of homologous series of alkyne. Please write the general formula of alkyne first. Narendran, very good student. Wrong answer. Avdan. 1 second, student. Let me check. Okay. Uh, why did you do that option? Narendran and Avdan? No. Megha, right answer. Tanish, right answer.
The methane can't forms triple bond.
Student, what is general formula? CnH2n minus 2, right? Alkyne. Third member he is asking. What should be third member? C3, right? H2 into 3 minus 2. C3H4. That should be propane. Let me check once. Okay, so yes, so what Avdan and Narendra has given is they're absolutely right, sir. So he's telling that, sir, CnH2n minus 2, right? So n equal to 1 is not at all possible. C1H0 not possible. So this is not at all a member. N equal to 2, C2H, what is that? H4, 2, C2H2, C3H4, C4H6. Absolutely right, student. So I'm a little bit confused. So first family member, second family member, third family member. Butane is the right answer, student, not propine. Okay. So some students have done same like me. So we need to go with the family members, whatever that is possible. So did I take that alkyne example in homologous series also? Acha, alkyne example, right? Yeah, C4H6, butane. Right answer, student. Thank you for correcting me. Okay. Last question. Yeah, last question, student. Okay, we'll stop it. Huh? I took the small question. 22. Identify a group of unsaturated hydrocarbons from the following. How done? Right answer. Tanish, right answer. Narendra, right answer. Tanushri, right answer. Maya, right answer. Oh, one student who are not even who is that? Megha, give the answer, student. Hmm? He left already. Right answer, student. Okay, unsaturated hydrocarbons, butane, ethene, propane. These all are double and triple bond answer. Okay, so we'll be doing one more session on Monday and we'll close this chapter, student. Okay, before that, if you still have any doubts, any questions, you please forward me so that I can add in the sample papers for the better solution. That's all from my side.